Good morning, everyone. We have to in this PPT we have to discussion the red black tree. We have to red black tree. First of all we have to see the what is the red black tree and properties of the red black tree and what are the rotations. Here we have to two types of rotations. In detail we have to explain the next slides and insertion and deletion operations of the red black tree. Definition of the red black tree. Here red black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree in which each node containing extra bit for extra bit for a donating the color of the node and neither red or a black. Here same as the binary search tree, but he having a taking a some extra bit. We have to taking the one extra bit, that is a color node, that is a red or a black color. We have to maintaining the red black tree. That is the definition of the red black tree. Next we have to see properties of the red black tree. Here we have two properties, have a five properties. Here we have to maintaining the red black tree. Red black tree satisfies the following properties. First one is every node is color neither red or a black. ప్రతి ఒక్క we have to every in red black tree in every node we have to maintaining the red or a black color. Root property. Here every node in here the root is a black. It means to in red black tree root is a must and should be black color we have to maintaining. Next one leaf property. Here every leaf is a null. It means to leaf nodes having a black color. And red property. If a red node has a children's, then the children's is always a blacks. It means to it have a node is a red color and its children's is a always black color we have to maintaining. This is one of the property. Last property, for each node any simple path from this node to any of its descendant leaf has a same black depth. Here we have to maintaining the we have to take into the we have to go to the leaf node. Here we have to calculating the height of the tree. How many nodes in the every we have to take into the in this tree. How many nodes here black nodes. Here black nodes have a 2, 1 and 2. This is the fifth property we have to maintaining here. In this each level we have to maintaining the black nodes. How many black nodes here maintaining. This is the height of these are properties of the red black tree. It means these are five properties of the red black tree. In fifth property we have to see that one. Suppose we have to calculating we have to calculating the height of the tree. In this way we have to see that one. Here we have to 33 and level is a 2 nodes. So this is the 2 black nodes is a maintaining. And then another level we have to see that one 33 and 13, 21 and 31. Here how many black nodes here? 2 nodes, 33 and 21. These are a 2 black nodes. And next 33 and 53 and 41. This how many nodes black nodes? Here we have to maintaining the 4. Here we have to 2 black nodes. So in every way we have to go to this. In every way we have to maintaining the 2 black nodes. So in every way we have to same black nodes have to maintaining. That is a fifth property. These are a black tree example. Next slide. Here we have to checking that this is a black tree or not. Here this is a 10 is a root node. Root node is always maintaining the black color. So one property is a right. This is example of the red black tree. You have to check the every property. First property is the root is a black. Here root is a black. First property is a true. And every leaf node is a black. Here leaf nodes means null nodes. Here null nodes is a black. And Here suppose we have to node is a red and its children's is a black color. This property is also satisfied. Next we have to check the height of the tree in every way. Here 10 and 5, 2 is a one way of you have to checking the black nodes. Here 10 and 2 have a 2 black nodes. So this is the satisfy the black node property. In another way we have to check that 10, 15 and 12. Here how many nodes here there in this way? We have two black nodes. Same level in here to two black nodes. So this is a red black tree is a red black tree. It is a not red black tree because it is a root node is a red color. We have to root node we have to maintaining the black color. Next one, this we have to see that one. This is a red black tree or not? This is a red black tree. In every property is a satisfied in this tree. This is a red black tree. Next this is how we have to take in the more trees. We have to verify the red black tree properties. We have to take into another example. In this example we have to check the red black tree properties. We have to check that one. Here no root node is a black color, right, and its root its node is a red and its children is a black color. Its property is a true, and a leaf node is a maintaining the black color, and it's we have to check in the height. Here height is a black and black, so this is also right. So this is is a red black tree finally. Next, how many here we have to red black tree having a some nodes. In each node we have to maintaining the some aptitudes. This or a first one is a color we have to maintaining red or a black. Key, this means key means value of the node. Left child and right child links and its parents. This is a every node we have to maintaining the red black tree. How the red black tree maintains the property of the self balancing. The red black tree color is a means by balancing the tree the limits puts on the node color and so that any simple path from the root to leaf is not more than queens twice as long as any other such path. It helps to maintaining the self-balancing property of the red black tree. This is the maintaining of the red black tree self-balancing tree. And next we have to go to the operations of the red black tree. Here we have to red black tree having a various of operations. We have two operations have insertion, deleting and searching of the operations here in red black tree. Next we have two rotations. How many rotations in red black tree? We have two types of rotations here there. In rotation operation, position of the nodes of the subtree are interchanging. It means we have to taking the subtree, we have to exchange the values. It means to interchanging the subtrees in a red black tree. Rotation operation is used for maintaining the properties of the red black tree when there are a altered by the other operations such as insertion and deleting. We have to do the insertion and deletion. We have to do this is the we have to when we have to do the operations in when we have to do the rotations in a red black tree, we have to do not in a maintaining in the red black tree. At that time we have to do the rotations of the red black tree. Here we have to see the rotations. Here we have to rotations means we have to do the rearranging the subtrees. Goaling is to decrease the height of the tree. Its main goal is having a decreasing of the height of the tree. Here height red black tree maximum height time complexity is a big O of the log n. Largest subtrees is a up and the smallest subtrees is a down. It means to the largest trees you have to maintaining the upwards. Does not affect the order of the elements. These rotations when you have to do the rotations performation does not affecting on the elements order of elements. There are two types of rotations, left rotations and right rotation. In left rotation, the arrangement of the nodes on a right is a transforming into arrangement on the left node. Here left rotation we have to do the arranging the nodes on the right is a transforming to arranging on the left node. This is the left rotation. Coming upon the right rotation, in right rotation the arrangement of the node on the left is a transforming into the arrangement on the right node. This is the right rotation. We have to see the examples of the left rotation. Here we have to take in that one. Left rotation, here we have to take into the left rotation example. Here y and x, here y child is a x. Here we have to do the left rotation of the here. Here we have to do the, it means to the arrangement of the node of the right side node we have to transfer the left side of the, we have to rearrange the left node. This is the we have to take into the, it means to y have a parent and x we have to go to the children of the x is a children. This is the left rotation. Next one we have to one by one we have to do the steps. This is the algorithm of the left rotation. Initial tree having a, this way we have to initial tree. Here y has a left subtree. Assign the x has to the parent of the left subtree of the y. We have to take into the assign the x. If a parent of the x is a null, make the y as the root of the tree. We have to take into the, we have to parent, we have to parent, we have to give the null. Else if x is the left child of the p and make the child of the p. Else we have to assign the y as the left child, right child of the L. It means to we have to take into the even we have to one more children's we have to same we have to assign the left side of we have to left child of the x. Make y as the parent of the x, and finally we have to do the y as the parent, and y have to connecting to the children's, then children's we have to connecting to the x left side we have to add that one. Sorry, x right side we have to add that one. Here beta plus we have to add that one. Here this is the left rotation algorithm steps. Next we have to go to the right rotation. Here go to the x is a, we have to go to the right. It means to arrangement of the node on the left is transferred into the arranging on the right node, right side. It means right side no we have to connecting. Here beta is there. Here beta is a connecting to the we have to transform that the node, that node left side we have to add this beta child. This is the steps of, next we have to one by one we have to see that right rotation. Here initial tree is a, this is one. If x has a right subtree, assign the y as the parent of the right subtree of the x and of initial tree b. We have to take into the initial tree. Here x has a right subtree. Here we have to take into the x. We have to assign the x position. We have to assign the y. This is the next step. We have the parent of the y is a null. If the parent of the y, we have to do the parent is a parent of the y is a null, and make the x has the root. We have to take into the x has the root, and x have a children in a right side. We have to connecting that one. Y to left, we have to connecting that children to left side of the y. This is the this is the connection of the children. Finally we have to do the x has the parent of the y. This is the right rotation of the red black tree. In one we have to take into the, now we have to some alphabets we have to take in, see the example. Now we have to take in some values. We are in this tree we have to do the some, we have to take into the 5, 1, 7 and 6, 8. This is one of the tree. First we have to checking that the this tree is a must and should in a binary search tree is a maintaining. After we have to do the coloring of the tree. Here 5 and 7 is a, here we have to do the left rotation of the 7. Left rotation after we have to coming that one. This way we have to left rotation do, then it is a come the 7 is a parent. 7 left side we have to add the 5. This is the left rotation. Next we have to do the, in this tree we have to rotating the right rotation. We have to do the right rotation. It comes to the right rotation of the 5. It means to 5 is come to the parent, and a 5 right side we have to connect in the 7. This is the right rotation of the 7. We have to checking the, we have to, here 6 has a left side of the 5. Then we have to 5 has a parent, then 6 is a connecting to the 7. It's a right side of the 7. You have to connecting to the 6. This is the right rotations of the Asian. You have to go to the some one more examples of the left rotation and right rotation. Then we have to go to the insertion operation of the red black tree. Here we have to do the left rotation of the 10. It means to 10 is a comes to the parent, and its left side we have to connecting to the 5, and we have to right side we have to connect into 8. This is the left rotations of the Asian. Here we have to see that one, and 10 and its children is 8. 8 is a connecting to the 5, and its right side we have to connect into the 8. This is the left rotation. We have to do the right rotation of the, in this example you have to do the right rotation of the 5. Here we have to do the right rotation. Here we have here in this in this example we have to do the right rotation of the tree. Here this means 5 is to go to the parent, and 5 left right side we have to connecting the 10. Here 5 to check that one. Here 5 8 is there. Here right side we have to 8. That 8 is to go to the children of the 10, and it's a right side 10 right side we have to connecting the 8. This is the right rotations of the red black tree. This is the algorithm of the red black tree. Suppose we have to take into the left rotation and right rotation. We have to take in two types of rotations, left rotation, right rotation. We have to explain one only. Same as the, we have to left rotation having a right, in left right rotation we have to take into the opposite. It means to left. Here time complexity is a big O of the 1. Here y equal to x tends to 1. We have to take into the x, we have to take into the x right. We have to take into the x. Here x right side we have to take the name is a y, and y's left. Here y's left we have to take into the x right. It means to the y's. Here y's left we have to take into the x rights. We have to take into the y's left. We have to exchange the children. Left parent equal to x. It means to the we take into the x. We have to give the x. Y parent, here we taking y parents equal to the x of the parents. It may give the parent name. X parents we have to give the y. X parent equal to none. Then we have to take into the that y has a root of the tree. Suppose x equal to x parent is equal to f. It means to the x parent equal to x parent. Then we have to take into the x. X parent left equal to y. It means to we have to take into the x node. We have to parent left. Then we have to initially we have to take into the y. We have x parent is a null. We have to simply we have to take into the y is a root. Otherwise we have to x is a not null. We have to left. We have to take check into the right children and left children. Right children and left children. We have to connecting to the parents. This is the left rotation we have to done. And finally we have to do the y's left here equal to x. It means to y's left we have to connecting to the x, and the x parent is a y. It means to root is a y. This is the left rotation and right rotations of the red black tree. This is a left rotation. Same as the left rotation we have to do. Same as the right rotation. Simply we have to changing to the right we have to take into the left side. This is the This is the rotations of the red black tree. Thank you everyone.